Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP972 Twin TempSpike Plus truly wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer. In this video, we'll be going over the package contents, the design and features, setup and pairing, and the application features and settings. First, let's go over the package contents. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one USB Type-C charging cable, one booster, and two TempSpike Plus probes. Now let's go over the design and features for the booster and probe. The booster is designed to receive the temperature signal from the probe and boosts and transmits it to your smart device. It also serves as a power source to charge the probe. The booster is equipped with a large LCD display which shows both internal and ambient temperature readings. It also has a booster and probe battery power indicator, an ambient temperature alarm indicator, a backlight, a hanging hole, and magnetic backing for stowing it away. The S button serves 5 different functions. Press it once to power on the booster. While the booster is powered on, press the S button to rotate between internal temperature, ambient temperature, or auto rotate between the two temperatures. Press and hold it for 3 seconds to pair the booster to the probe. Press and hold it for 10 seconds to completely reset the booster. And press it once to silence the booster's alarm when the ambient temperature reaches its set target. Now let's go over the probe features. The probe has a new, thinner, sleek design to accommodate various types of meat cuts. The sensor for the internal meat temperature is located in the tip of the probe, while the sensor for the ambient air temperature is located in the handle. Make sure to insert the probe all the way into the meat so only the handle is visible. Now let's go over setup and pairing. First, fully charge both the booster and the probe. Scan the QR code in the manual for your operating system or search for TempSpike in the Apple and Google Play stores. Download and install the app on your smart device. Next, pair the booster to your smart device. Simply remove the probe from the booster, launch the TempSpike app, and press Add Device. Select the TempSpike Plus device. Congratulations, your TempSpike Plus is ready for use. Now let's go over some of the application features and settings. The app has both probe and booster Bluetooth connection and battery indicators. It has 9 preset USDA meat options with a custom preset option as well. It has high and low temperature settings with alert notifications. It has a recording, cooking graph, and history with a data export feature. And it also has an estimated time left feature. Now let's go over some of the app settings. It has a Fahrenheit Celsius option, light or dark mode options, disconnection notice notifications, booster alarm options, over 250 alert options, a temperature pre-alarm option, and different language settings. Congratulations, you are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP972 Twin TempSpike Plus truly wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer.